Hey everybody, it's Benjavator from the Tech Lab, and today, this is going to be a channel update in a way. So, in the background, you'll see us like doing some Pokemon Go, a new game that just came out. I'm sure all of you have heard of it. If you haven't, then where have you been? Um, so we're doing some different things on our channel. We're still going to be doing Minecraft, but we're starting to move on to other games like Trouble in Terrorist Town on Gmod. You can see the video we posted earlier. It wasn't exactly edited correctly, but it's still there. And we're going on to some other games. And tomorrow we're going to try to get some Pokemon Go, that new game that I just told you about. And that'll be interesting. I might have to jailbreak my iPhone or whatever so I could screen record. But we'll see how that works. So yeah, we're just moving on to different games, and we're staying on Minecraft, but we're moving on to other games too. So we'd have more quality content on our channel, if you know what I mean. So yeah, stay tuned for those videos. They'll be around soon. Especially the Pokemon Go videos, those will be pretty fun. We went on a 2-hour walk earlier, and I got 24 Pokemon. So there's 2 hotspots near us with where the Pokemon spawn, and you get the free items. And with accompanying this series, we might also try Pixelmon, a Minecraft series. It's like you get Pokemon in the game and stuff. I did it before. It was pretty fun. So yeah, we're going to be doing those types of videos and stuff like that. So stay tuned for those. Also, we may change your channel name. We're thinking of doing that because the Tech Lab doesn't really match anything, since before that was just a server name. So yeah, we're planning on just changing our channel name. We're not really sure what to change it to. So if you see the channel name a bit different, then that's still us. We'll be changing our thumbnail, our title, and everything, and thumbnail. What is it called? Channel picture. So yeah, stay tuned for those new videos, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.